In this elephant village, there is a small zoo where a few animals are here. It's really awesome.
Something in the wind, the stars we can hear.
Good morning. Today is the fourth day in Thailand and second day in Pattaya. First I'll go towards elephant forest. Then after, if I have time, then I'll go to where one of the botanical garden is there. Then after, well, let's decide what are the places I can cover. Yesterday I already rented a bike. So whenever you're coming here in solo trip or family, it is better to take a bike rent. So 200 baht per day. So it is very cheaper because compared to other taxis and this bike taxis. Just hold on. If you have not watched my yesterday's video, then you can click on that I button which is now blinking on top of your video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it so you don't miss any of my travel vlogs.
It will take 20 to 30 minutes to reach the elephant village from Pattaya city.
Just I took a ticket which is near around 1200 baht per person. I'm single, so one guy, two guys actually for one elephant. That's one guy, and they charged me 1300. So which is average cost.
For elephant?
Yeah.
100 baht.
So I have to pay 100 baht.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, it was my first elephant ride and that's why I was so excited.
Let me tell about one fact about Thailand. In 100 years before, here were near about 1 lakh elephant were there here, but now currently I think near about 5,000 elephants remain, and we need to conserve them for our ecosystem. These animals are the part of our life, so otherwise the time will come then when we will tell to our younger generation that there was an elephant.
Here you will find more than 15 elephants and out of them most of are pet.
Whenever you are coming to Pattaya, must come this place if you love elephant riding, and it will take 30 to 45 minutes riding, and you have to pay per person 1200 baht, which is not more, but you can enjoy this riding. I just finished my elephant riding. It was awesome. And if you are coming to Thailand and you are not doing the elephant riding, then your Thailand trip is incomplete. It is really incredible. You come here and enjoy the safari of elephant, and just feed them banana. So it will be awesome. The location I have given the description below.
Inside village there is an open air theatre show which plays 3 times in a day.
in this elephant village, there is a small zoo where a few animals are here. So you can come here and visit them. You can feed them, and the most interesting attraction are the elephants. And also people are, I think 10 to 12 families are living here. So if you really love the nature and the greenery, then you come here and spend a couple of hours. Here is a one deer, so it is really nice and safe. So wearing dresses.
Yes. คนที่ชอบคนดำ
So basically, if you are coming to elephant village, so things to do here, you can do the elephant safari, you can feed them, and you can watch, there is a small zoo, you can watch the parks and deers, and also you can take the pictures of this place, because this one is also picturesque place, and you can enjoy with animals, and the atmosphere is really energetic and very pleasant. You can see one elephant. Once you will come here, you can find this type of small huts, and you can sit here and watch the view of this elephant village. It's really awesome. Now it's time to have lunch, because which package I have taken here, the ticket, the lunch is included, and for that you can have it. The food which they are serving with the package, they all are the fruits. If you want to take any non-veg item, then you have to pay extra, which is the 200 baht, which is all are the non-veg. So I decided to take all these veg foods as my lunch.
After finished my lunch, when I was returning, on the way I came to know that there is a Hindu temple inside the village where people worship Lord Shiva and Ganesh.
In Elephant Village, there is a temple which worships the Lord Shiva and Lord Ganesh, and also Mataji. And this is on the first floor of the Elephant Village. Whenever coming here, you can come to the first floor.
basically the Hinduism spirituality everywhere. So I'm really happy to come here and watch all type of Ganesh statues and Lord Shiva and Mataji. It's a really awesome place. So now it's time to leave this elephant village. My recommendation is when you are coming to Pattaya, must come this place. You have to pay 1200 baht and you can do so many things, and really lovely spot. If you are animal lover, if you are bird lover, then must come and visit this place.
In next episode, I will share my experience about the Nong Nuj Tropical Garden, which is world's most beautiful garden and one of the best traveling spot in Pattaya. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe and don't miss to hit the bell icon. Stay tuned and bye bye.